In the winter seasons of Canada, do you know what are the major problems people come across? Due to low temperature, water in pipelines get frozen, and no more water. People accidentally slips on sideways due to snow and water. The ice spikes grow on rooftops, put risk on people. And also water leaks into houses. What is the solution for all these problems? Here comes the CANSTAL. CANSTAL provides a complete heat tracing solutions, engineering, installation, industrial and residential, for several applications such as roof, gutter and downspouts, de-icing and snow melting. Installing heating cables in oil and gas refiners. Pipe heating. Snow melting and de-icing for driveway, sidewalk and parking lot. And more. CANSTAL offers a heat tracing and snow melting system that is efficient, safe and affordable. Contact us for a free estimates.